Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make potato leaf soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh, tender potato leaves, ensuring they are thoroughly washed. Next, prepare 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. Finally, have 1 cup of creamy coconut milk and 4 cups of rich vegetable broth ready for a delicious base. Now, let's get our ingredients prepped for cooking. Start by washing your potato leaves thoroughly, then finely chop them, discarding any tough stems. Next, mince your onion, garlic, and ginger into very small, even pieces. This ensures they release their full flavor into the soup. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process smooth and enjoyable. It's time to cook our delicious soup. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil over medium heat. Add the minced onion, garlic, and ginger, sautéing until fragrant, which takes about 3 minutes. Then, add the chopped potato leaves, cooking until they wilt, usually around 5 minutes. Finally, pour in the vegetable broth and coconut milk, bringing it to a gentle simmer for 15 minutes. To finish, taste your potato leaf soup and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. You might also add a pinch of chili flakes for a little kick. Serve hot, perhaps garnished with some fresh cilantro or a squeeze of lime juice for brightness. This comforting soup is perfect for any meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.